students, today we will do exercise of chapter 12 friction. So let's start. Question number 1. From question number 1. Fill in the blanks. A. Friction opposes the relative motions between the surface in contact with each other. Question number B. Friction depends on the smoothness of surfaces. C. Friction produces heat. Question D. The sprinkling of powder on the carom board reduces friction. And E. Sliding friction is less than the static friction. ओके यहाँ नीचे आंसर्स भी दिए हुए हैं, आप देख सकते हैं और लिख सकते हैं. ओके नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. 4 children were asked to arrange forces due to rolling, static and sliding frictions in decreasing order. Their arrangements are given below. Choose the correct arrangement. A. Rolling, static, sliding. B. Rolling, sliding, static. C. Static, sliding, rolling. And D. Sliding, static, rolling. So the answer is static, sliding and rolling. Okay. Now question number 3. Alida runs her toy car on a dry marble floor. Wet marble floor, newspaper and towel spread on the floor. The force of friction acting on the car on different surfaces in increasing order will be wet marble floor, dry marble floor, newspaper and towel. Second, न्यूज़पेपर टॉवल, ड्राई मार्बल फ्लोर, वेट मार्बल फ्लोर. यहाँ भी अरेंजमेंट दिया हुआ है, ठीक है. प्रॉपर हमें देखना प्रॉपर अरेंजमेंट क्या है इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में. ओके टॉवल, न्यूज़पेपर, ड्राई मार्बल फ्लोर, वेट मार्बल फ्लोर. एंड डी wet marble floor, dry marble floor, towel, newspaper. So the answer is wet marble floor, dry marble floor, newspaper and towel. Okay. Now question number 4. Suppose your writing desk is tilted a little. A book kept on it starts sliding down. Show the direction of frictional force acting on it. So the answer is frictional force will act upward, the direction opposite to that of sliding book. Question number 5. You spill a bucket of soapy water on a marble floor accidentally. Would it make it easier or more difficult for you to walk on the floor? Why? So the answer is the layer of soap makes the floor smooth, due to which the friction is reduced. This makes the floor slippery and the foot cannot make a proper grip on the floor. Therefore, it is difficult to walk on a soapy floor. We may slip on the floor. Okay. Now question number 6. Explain why sportsmen use shoes with spikes. So the answer is sportsmen use shoes with spikes to increase the friction between shoes and the surface. So the shoes with spikes do not slip while the sportsmen run and play. शूज में स्पाइक्स क्यों होते हैं? फ्रिक्शन बढ़ाने के लिए शूज और सरफेस के बीच का, ठीक है, ताकि जो स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन है या स्पोर्ट्समैन है वो फिसले ना, है ना. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. इकबाल हैज टू पुश अ लाइटर बॉक्स एंड सीमा हैज टू पुश अ सिमिलर हैवियर बॉक्स ऑन द सेम फ्लोर. हु विल हैव टू अप्लाई अ लार्जर फोर्स एंड व्हाई? सो द आंसर इज a heavy object produces more friction as it is pressed hard against the opposite surface. So Seema will have to apply a larger force. Okay. Now question number 8. Explain why sliding friction is less than static friction. So the answer is the sliding friction is less than static friction because the sliding object get less time to interlock into the contact points on the floor. So it is somewhat easier to move an object already in motion than to get it started. Now question number 9. Give examples to show that friction is both a friend and a foe. Foe means enemy, ठीक है. So the answer is some points are given below which show that friction is both a friend and a foe. See, first, friction as a friend. It allows us to grip and catch any object. Second, it helps us to walk comfortably on the floor. Third, it helps to minimize the speed or to stop any moving object. And fourth, it helps us to ride. Second, friction as a foe. It causes wear and tears in objects. Second, it causes damage to the parts of machines and tools, which further requires money to get them repaired. Third, it reduces the speed of moving object. So more force is required. It produces hurdles in moving any object freely. Okay. Now question number 10. Explain why objects moving in fluids must have special shapes. So the answer is the object moving in fluids must have a special shape to overcome the fluid friction acting on them. Efforts are therefore made to minimize the friction. So objects are given a special shape having pointed fronts with little broader middle portion which gets tapered at the back called streamlined. Okay, here your chapter is completed. Tomorrow we will start chapter 13 sound. Okay, so write all exercise in your fair copy.